Okay, this is my parrot. She's on me, and she doesn't like this toy. Every time I get closer, like this, oh, she's gonna attack him. She's gonna attack him. Like she said, "Get out of my house! Get away from me! I'll kill you! I'll kill you!" And this toy, she's making her angry. That's why she's angry. She doesn't like it. Every time I get closer to this or I bring it out, she's gonna fly and or attack him. And like, look. I had to go all the way. Look, like that. Yeah, like that. And we had to go back all the way to the bed. There we go. Oh. And every time she doesn't like it, like it's scary. Like I'm banding her, but I'm not. She's my fluffy little parrot. And she always being a scary cat with this butt. Oh, she does attack him. He just attack him. Oh. And every time I bring this out, she always like fly or get him. Like, look. Oh. You make me fall down. And I was gonna fall down. So you crazy, Rainbow. You are crazy. You are crazy. You are crazy. Crazy. Oh. Crazy. Oh. Hi. Hello. Hey. Oh, where you going? Get back here. Oh. Stop. Don't fight. Where are you going? Stop here. Turn out the way. Okay, well, I'm back. No! What? And anytime I get closer to her, she's gonna attack him or fly to him, and that's stop!